Hello viewers, how are you doing? Thank you for subscribing this channel. Please do subscribe the channel in the future also. Please place your comments so that I will read it. As I said in the last episode that I had, because of my father's business, we have lost everything. We were on the streets, we were sleeping in the central station. Then we went to the airport. One of my friend helped, and we came back when we were given a house to stay. So when we reached the house, the house was actually built 5 years ago, and it was completely locked. There was nothing inside, so it became extremely difficult for us to open the door and then get inside. And we did get inside. It was almost about 125. It's a gated community with 125 houses, and about four were only the occupants out there, out of 125, so each in one corner. So as we sat in, there was no electricity in the house, obviously. So what we learned from here is when we came in, my mother was a little skeptical. She was saying, see, we have come here, a lot of people will come tomorrow morning. They will ask us where are you come from, what do we tell them, what are the things, should we tell them that we are on a temporary scale, or should we tell them that we have come for a holiday. So she had a lot of things in the mind, and she was again asking what will the outsiders look at us, what will the world think of us. Oh my god, she had an entire bunch of questions, which in my opinion nobody would have asked. Even a guy in the outside wouldn't have asked such a question. So to all the questions which she had, my father had only one single answer. Was that he told us. So we also had the same question about what do we tell them. I mean, should I say that I'm an engineer, should I say that I'm just finished 12th, or should I mean, there's a lot of things. And one more, the biggest worry is that tomorrow's morning breakfast, what do we have, because we don't have money. So but the other problem being that the house does not have electricity. Who will give electricity, what to do, so on and so forth. So there was only one to all this question. My father had one single answer. So he said that, look, don't worry about what the world will look at, because when we were rich, or when we were at a very high state of, no, none of the world came and asked you. When we came down, the world never came and helped us, or world never came and asked us what is wrong, what is not wrong, right? So therefore, why are you worrying too much about the world? The world will be there, and let it be there. You do whatever you want for your survival, and let the world think whatever it wants. It's we are not bothered. And there is one incident which I will tell you, which actually did to me. In most case scenarios, when what we do is, once we get into trouble, or when we fall off a little bit lower down, we hide ourselves inside. We don't go out, and thereby we lose a lot of opportunities in the world. Please don't do that mistake. Here is an incident. So as we came here and settled after 3 4 weeks, somehow some contacts are out, they were following us, we don't know. So one of the guys who had lended us money was able to trace our house. So he came there and he was telling that you bought a villa, this, and we were trying to explain to him, look, this is not a villa, it is my friend's place, please understand. But he was not willing to agree to it. So he got pissed off. So he dragged me by the collar, abducted me to a place. So he hit me badly, and I had broken my head. It was bleeding, and he just threw me near my house, and he went off. So there was an opposite house where there were two doctors living. Okay, so because my mother was little hesitant to go speak to them, nor we were hesitant to go speak to them, we never used to even bother to them to go tell them. I mean, ask us thing. But when this happened, the guy from inside, the two doctors who came out, they took me to Ramchandra Hospital. They admitted there. They did everything for me. And today also they are friends, and they did not even ask a single money, and they never even asked us a single question. What are you doing? Why? Because we were no. I was unconscious for 3 days, and after the fourth day I gained conscious, and 15 days we were there, and everything was taken care. And after that 2 months also, he was dressing my wound and doing all that. So in that sense, he never even asked us. I came back and asked my father, what did he ask me? We always a little panicky, because I need to know what they have told, what happened to me. My dad said nothing. They helped you. That's it. There is nothing more they asked you. Why are you getting panicky? There is nothing they asked us. So just leave it. They helped us. That's it. So, and even today, because of the I'm suffering, but that's thing. So the only thing which I learned from my father is that I think we should not do things, or we should not do things for the sake of this world. Because, in my opinion, when people say the world will look at you, the world will teach you, the world will look at this thing, world will do. Come on, guys. If you start looking what, first of all, the world is just it's an English it's an English nomenclature for world. Let it be there, but people are living, and there's a definition in the dictionary. So let's not think about too much about the world, because there's nothing world will do. Because when I was rich, also the world never did anything to me. When I became a pauper and I was the street, also world did not move. Today also the world has not done anything to me. Okay, it is just that we have created a a kind of a image that I have to look for this, look for that. People will look at me. People will look at. Nobody looks at anything, guys. Let me understand. There is one thing which my father told me, and I always remember that even till today. Don't go and think what the world will look at you, or world will think about you. Think what you can do so that the world will turn back at you. As simple as that. If you can do that, that is fine. So don't keep doing things what just to justify the world, or just to make the world happy. There is nothing like that, because in the world there are two segments which always there. One good thing you do, there is one segment which will come and tell you yes. There is an other segment which will raise up the feet and say no and a big voice. So don't worry about all that. Even if you have failed things, even if you have done something wrong, if you have failed in the world, just come out and face the world, and face what is there in the thing. Do your job, do what is satisfying to you, do which will make you happy. Do go meet some people. There are umpty number of people. If you want help, please go outside and ask for people, and people will help you. Yeah, I agree. One or two might tease you, or one or two might even try to create a mess out of it. That's okay, that's fair enough. That is their job. Let's not get into them. But there are a lot of people who will help you. So my only thing in this is that, because we did not go out, and we did not go outside to know what it is, we were getting inside. But still, there was a person who came and helped me. Even today they are friends. They have not, even till now we have asked them what is the bill, and they have not claimed the bill, and they don't want the bill. They just wanted people. I mean, the friendship still goes on. So guys, whenever you fall down, or whenever you have lost something, don't become shy. Don't become this thing and get into a corner and keep sitting inside. Nothing will happen. Just go out, because only if you go out you will find there are a lot of hundreds of good things around you. There are a lot of things which will help you to come out of the situation. Okay, so be happy, keep the good times rolling. Do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. As I said, if you have such incidents in your life which has taught you some lessons, please send it to me. Please comment on my description. I will obviously send you a mail ID where you can share the clip. It's a 5 to 10 minutes clip you can share. So keep the good times flowing. Happy Pongal. Have a nice day.